Hello guys, in this video I am going to show how can you edit Moody rich filter in Lightroom mobile. So guys, at first go to the light section and take the contrast to +40. Then take the highlights to -30. Then take the whites to -40. Then take the shadows to +50. Then adjust the blacks to +50. Then go to the curve and follow my steps. First whites, now then go to the color section, take the temperature to +2 and take the tint to +10. Then take the vibrance to +30. Then take the saturation to +20. Then go to the mix option, add the red. Take the red and take the hue to +10. Take the saturation to -50. Then go to orange. Take the hue to -10 and take the saturation to -50. And take the luminance to +30. Then go to yellow. Take the hue to -100. Take the saturation to -50. Take the luminance to +10. Then go to green. Take the saturation to -50. And also the aqua same. Then go to blue. Take the saturation to -50. Then go to the purple. Take the saturation to +-100. Then go to magenta. Take the saturation to -100. Then done. Then go to the effect option. Take the clarity and dehaze to +20. split tone. And highlights, take the hue to 60 and saturation 20. Then go to shadows, take the hue to 194 and saturation 10. Then go to balance and take the balance to -25. Then press done. Now see the before and after effects. Let's try to copy that filter and paste it to another photos. Okay guys, that is it for today guys. If you see the full video, then please like that video, comment down below and share that video to your friends and family, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell notification icon to never miss any update. See you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.